How to dispute a review in Airbnb. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can dispute a review in Airbnb. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to dispute a review in Airbnb, what you have to do is just go ahead and then open up the Airbnb help support article. So in this case, you can see I'm on the official page of Airbnb support, and here's what they have to say about disputing a review. So sometimes your customers and your guests actually leave a very bad review even though you feel that it is actually not true. And if you want to request a removal of a retaliatory review, no matter how long ago it was posted, you can actually do that. So right over here you can see they're adding the ability for the host to leave more details in reviews of guests which other hosts will be able to read long ago, and so on, and stronger protection against. You should feel comfortable hosting guests without worrying about the possibility of receiving a retaliatory review. So if you want, you can dispute a retaliatory review right over here, no matter when it was posted, from guests who commit a serious violation of policies such as damaging your property new and such as overstaying the reservation, violating your house rules, having an unauthorized party or event at your place. So you can just go ahead and tap on this link that says dispute a retaliatory review. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. When you actually go to that specific link and log into your account, you should be able to go ahead and then dispute that specific review in this case. Once you've done that, if you requested removal of a review before this, you'll need to start a new request under the updated policy. That's all it takes to go ahead and then dispute a review in Airbnb. According to Airbnb themselves, this is how we do it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.